Please use this video to answer the questions for the chart that's labeled 5 Components of Fitness and FitnessGram Tests on your worksheet. There are 5 components of fitness. They are on the left: cardiovascular endurance, flexibility, muscular strength, muscular endurance, and body composition. These components are all tested by the FitnessGram test that we use in class. The FitnessGram measures on healthy fitness zones, not on athletic ability. There's a chart located on page 6 of your wellness booklet that's based on age and gender to see if you fall in the healthy fitness zone. At the end of each quarter, a FitnessGram report will be emailed home to your parents. There are 5 components of health-related fitness that are also located on page 34 of your wellness booklet. You can highlight them. They are body composition, cardiorespiratory endurance, flexibility, muscular endurance, and muscular strength. We are now going to talk about each one of these components. Cardiorespiratory endurance is the ability of the heart and lungs to work together to provide the needed oxygen and fuel to the body during sustained workloads, while keeping your heart rate in the target heart rate zone. Aerobic activity lasts 20 minutes or more and is usually 3 to 6 days per week. The FitnessGram test to measure this component is mile run and pacer. There are 2 components to cardiorespiratory endurance. There is aerobic exercise and anaerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise lasts for long periods of time and uses oxygen to get energy. For example, distance running, swimming, or cross-country skiing. Anaerobic is the opposite. This is exercise that does not use oxygen and only lasts for short periods of time. For example, weightlifting, football, or volleyball. Flexibility is the ability to bend and move joints through a complete range of motion. This should be performed daily, and you should be able to feel the stretch and it not hurt. And you hold these for 30 to 60 seconds. There are 2 types of stretching: dynamic stretching and static stretching. Dynamic stretching is when you go through the range of motion and is usually best used at the beginning of practice, whereas static stretching is when you stand and hold that stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and is usually done at the end of practices. Muscular strength is the amount of force a muscle applies against resistance one time through the full range of motion. For this, FitnessGram test is pull-ups for us. Muscular endurance is the ability to use a muscle to repeat a movement over a period of time. Our FitnessGram tests are curl-ups and flexed arm hang. Body composition is the ratio of lean body mass to fat mass. We use height, weight, and body fat calipers to determine our body composition. We do not use BMI because BMI only looks at height and weight. It does not consider your body fat percentage or your muscle mass. There's a chart at the bottom of this page that shows you body fat percentage for males and females. Also, it talks about different ways to measure your body composition. You can use the other QR for body composition to see the different ways listed here. Lastly, this is a chart showing which component is measured by which FitnessGram tests. The FitnessGram tests are listed on the left. For example, mile run measures cardiorespiratory endurance, push-ups, muscular strength, and you can read below.